I just bought a Genie Z34 22N. This thing is a 2007 model. It's all electric, and we were having some trouble with it, the way it was running and things, and then it got to where it would kick a breaker, and there's a 10 amp breaker inside of here. Let me show you where that's at. This right here is just a circuit breaker, a 10 amp circuit breaker, and it was kicking this thing, and I kept trying to get it to come back on, and it finally burned this up. I looked online and I found a lot of things that could be going on with this, but let me show you something that's probably going to help you out. Now, in each side, this thing has 4 batteries. These are 6-volt batteries in here, and you want to disconnect them. And then there's a switch right back in here that you push, and this thing will pull out. Let me do this. It's got a handle right here to pull. Let me hit that switch and pull this out right quick. Okay, so this just pivots out, and then you have a screw right here. This thing will come out, and you can remove this lid off the top. Now, these batteries are all connected, and you have these cables that connect them right here. Now, if you notice right there on this cable, right there, that was arcing. And what was that arcing to? You can see right here that it was arcing to the lid. And what the guy had was this connector right here was actually pointed at this angle. It was pointed up. And so what I did was I just loosened it, pushed it down, tightened it back up, and now I don't have a single problem. I just want to let y'all know that, just in case y'all have one of these machines and you're having the same problem. When it happened to me, I was actually putting this up on a trailer, and one of the boards on the trailer broke, and it kind of jostled it a little bit. Not bad, but a little bit. And it moved that battery enough to touch the top of that lid, and that was that. And then when I kept pushing that breaker, it finally ruined the breaker. So I got a new breaker, figured this out, runs as good as new. Hope this helps you.